How's it going, guys? Andy here and welcome to another video. In this one we're going to be talking about whether you can still make money drop shipping on eBay and Amazon. Coming up, I'm going to be explaining what drop shipping is, how some people make hundreds of thousands with this method, and how many people do it virtually hands-free on autopilot. Plus, if you hang around to the end, I'm going to explain what the eBay and Amazon rules say about this method and how you can do it perfectly legitimately and how a lot of people are putting their own accounts at risk. That's all coming up, but first I want to quickly explain what dropshipping is and how it works. So for those of you that don't know, dropshipping is a method of selling an item that you do not yet own. Essentially, you list a heap of items on eBay or Amazon, and when someone buys something, you then place the order for the item somewhere else and it gets shipped direct to your customer. This, as you can imagine, is a potentially massively profitable strategy because there are no restrictions on your buying budget or your storage or even man hours shipping your items. Some dropshippers are even selling the items on Amazon and then buying it on eBay and getting the eBay seller to ship direct to your Amazon customer, or vice versa. If you make use of software to automatically find the price differences between the two marketplaces and then use a bulk uplisting tool, you could potentially list thousands of items all while sitting in your pants at home. It pretty much sounds like the whole mythical make money on autopilot push button type of strategy. Happy days. And to a certain extent, if you hit it just right, it probably is. But, and there's always a but, isn't there? The problem comes with customer service and returns, because if there's a problem, they're coming back to you and then you then have to relay that back to the person that you bought it from. It gets confusing, it's problematical, and if your seller starts messing you around, you're going to be stuck in the middle. In my opinion, it's a pretty tricky strategy to get right long term. There are plenty of pitfalls, and because of scale, if something goes wrong, however small, because you've got so many items listed and so many items selling, it could go wrong in a pretty big way. So what do the eBay and Amazon terms of service say about this practice? Well, I'm pretty sure both of them aren't particularly keen on this practice, especially as it can really impact customer service and really confuse people as to who owns what and who needs to speak to who. There is, however, one way that you're officially allowed to use the dropshipping method on eBay or Amazon, and that is if you buy your products from an official wholesale supplier and they ship the item directly to the customer. That is allowed in the terms of service, but if you're buying it from another retailer, that's a big no-no and you're going against the rules. I'm not saying that you can't get away with it. I'm sure there are an awful lot of people that are, but eBay and Amazon are aggressively seeking out these accounts with lots and lots of items listed, and they're requesting proof of ownership of all the items that you've got listed. And if you can't provide that, it's see you later, alligator. So I'm sure it still goes on, but it's not a stable platform, technically against terms of service. Is there potential to make a shed load of money? Absolutely. Would I recommend you do it? Not really, not unless you can get an established wholesale supplier that's prepared to give you a drop shipping service. And there are some, I certainly know quite a few wholesalers that are prepared to offer that service. And if you want to find out about some of those, you're welcome to join the Wholesale Help Buyers Club. It's just a free email service that you can sign up to, linked down in the description box below, where you'll be able to get details of verified and approved wholesale suppliers. So check that out, see what you think, and you'll also be able to stay in touch with me via email. All right, that pretty much wraps it up for this one. Give me a thumbs up if you found this video useful, and subscribe if you're new around here. And don't forget to hit that bell notification icon so you'll get notified every time I upload a new video. All right, guys, thank you very much for watching. My name's Andy Lawrence, and I will catch you on the very next video. Bye for now.